Hey, welcome back to the Stebbins Garage YouTube channel. I'm Bill, and that is my niece's 2017 Civic EX. We bought that wrecked off Copart yesterday, and I just published the video, so go check that out if you haven't. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing cleaned up today, at least do the interior and probably the engine bay, and from there we're gonna start disassembling. So this is the second video. The third video will be the disassembly and preparation for it to go to the body shop. So hope you enjoy, and let me know what you think. Alright, so you saw it in the first video, but you can see the level of filth. This is just next level dirt. It's really bad, and this has been sitting at the Copart lot since February. It's June now, so about 6 months of just sitting. So we're gonna give it a good cleaning. We'll soak this with some APC, kind of make sure we get all this stuff cleaned up, and then we'll probably work on the interior too. Haley is supposed to be here any minute, so I figured I'd go ahead and get ready.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie.
So next up, we're gonna try and take some of this, I guess it's rubber from the whatever tire hit it. We're gonna try and get that off this wheel and see if we can clean that up a little bit.
They wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
This is the wheel that we mostly cleaned up. Lots of rubber on it. Still got a little spot here and there, but I'm gonna wait until we get this thing off the car to actually clean up the majority of that. For now, it'll do. All-purpose cleaner that I will do a whole lot, and then that's not supposed to be there. So that's going to do it for the cleanup video. We got the engine cleaned up, we got the interior mostly cleaned up. Haley did a good job with her part, and we didn't go for 100%. We'll do that after it comes back from the body shop and is ready to be reassembled. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one, where we're going to go ahead and take the interior apart and get it ready to go to the body shop. See ya.